What's up everyone, Alessandro the Crypto here and welcome to another Bitcoin price analysis. Today guys, no camera since I'm lying in the bed. I'm sick today, so I'm gonna keep it short and simple right now, but I have to bring this update video out guys because Bitcoin is currently in a very critical situation, so we're gonna have a look into that. So make sure to be subscribed on this channel guys. We are almost at 3,000 subscribers. Thank you very much for your great support, and of course hit that like button and also leave a comment and subscribe because like that also you are eligible for the next $100 giveaway that we're gonna do in our channel here with every 1,000 subscribers. Of course, also check out the newest hyped upcoming cryptos that are upcoming, especially Bitcoin Hyper that is almost at 27 millions, and then also Hyper Sui, this new DEX on top of Sui that is upcoming. You can check them out with the links in the video description here, and also if you need some exchanges, check them out here because with my sign up links you everywhere get some nice sign up bonus. So everything in this video is of course no financial advice guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just showing my own opinions and own price analysis. Always do your own research. But you know that currently I am still scalping into a long position because I believe that very soon we're going to have a big move to the upside. So we're going to cover first the 4 hour and then the daily time frame guys, because there of course we have major things happening. But here in the 4 hour you can see that we had this purple channel forming here. So Bitcoin was trapped here in this channel, and right now we have seen a breakdown. And unfortunately the target has not yet reached because it would be down here at around $99,000 to $98,000, this support down here that we have from the daily time frame. And although you can see that right now previous support is getting now new resistance at around $104,000. If you see 4 hour closes above $104,000, then it's very likely that we could see another retest of the resistance at 106, 107k, and eventually also break higher. That is of course possible. But if here we're not getting 4 hour closes above, then it's very likely that we're gonna get rejected here and come back down towards $99,000 to $98,000. And now I'm gonna tell you why I believe that this could be also still a good entry point and buy opportunity. Everything here between 104k and 99k. And the reason is not only because of the indicators that now again cooled down and we are getting fresh new buy signals, but also over on the daily time frame you can see that the previous buy signals, even with this dump that we have seen yesterday, is not broken. So it's still ongoing. That means that we are getting basically even a better entry point right now. And if we zoom out on the daily time frame, you can also see that Bitcoin is now forming this falling wedge with a clear resistance and support. Especially if we go over into the lines chart, you can see all the touch points on the resistance trend line and on the support trend line as well here. So once we have 4 and daily closes above $106,000, so basically above this resistance here, I'm pretty confident that we could have a nice run up. In theory, the breakout target would take us where this wedge started at 125k or even higher than that. But if Bitcoin wouldn't be able to break out and reach that target, but maybe stop, for example, here at this resistance at 115k, this is the resistance that we have from the weekly time frame. This is the final boss if we have here really a big breakout to the upside, because here I think we could get a big rejection and enter into a bear market, or if we're able to break through and to go to our target, that we are even able to create new all-time highs in this year and probably go to much higher prices for Bitcoin. So watch out for that guys. This is what I'm watching out right now, even if I'm lying in the bed and I'm sick a bit and stuff like that. But I keep you updated of course, and this is what I'm watching out right now. Of course I'm longing right now. I would not enter into a trade, not enter into a short trade. If you would enter into a trade, then I would definitely go long, but everything is of course no financial advice guys. It's just my opinion what will happen next, just looking at the indicators and also the charts that we are forming, the patterns that we are forming and so on. So check it out guys, and of course wherever Bitcoin will go, also the altcoins will be moving according to that. So watch out for that, because whatever the chart is telling you on some altcoins, usually the altcoins are moving according to Bitcoin. Alright guys, that's it for now. I wish you a very nice day. Make sure to be subscribed here, and we're gonna see us later on with another update if something crazy happens. But otherwise, that's it for now. Let's wait where Bitcoin is going to go next. If here we don't see 4 hour closes as soon as possible back above 104k, unfortunately I think that we're gonna see another leg down before we have the breakout to the upside from this bigger falling wedge that we're forming on the daily time frame, in theory a bullish pattern. And yes, also the US dollar dominance has currently sell signals everywhere on the lower time frames, on the daily time frame, and so on. Here we are inverse correlated. That means that most likely this move will play out for Bitcoin. That's why I'm pretty confident, even though here of course it doesn't look so good at the moment, but I think that bullish moves are incoming very, very soon, latest on the weekend. So thank you for watching, guys. Stay tuned, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.